In this problem, I'll start by factoring each denominator, and then I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by the common denominator. And for this problem, that's going to be m plus 1 times m plus 3 squared. I do that on both sides. So I distribute this m plus 1 times m plus 3 squared to each of the terms in the parentheses here. So for the first one, the m plus 1s are going to cancel out, and one of the, well, let me do that better, just one of the m plus 3s. And so that leaves an m plus 3 times m plus 8. Okay. And then I'm going to distribute that m plus 1 times m plus 3 squared to the second term, and the m plus 3 squareds cancel out. So I have 8 times m plus 1. And m plus 1s cancel out over here, an m plus 3 and an m plus 3, and then I have m plus 3 times m minus 8. The order's not important. So there's my new equation, and I don't have any fractions. We want to keep in mind that we can't use as a solution either a -1 or a -3, because that would have given us 0 in the denominator of the original equation. All right, so let me shift this up. And now I'm going to FOIL. M times 8 gives me 8m, 3m, and 24. Distribute the -8. And then FOIL on the right-hand side. Oh, come on. It's 24. Okay. I'm going to get all the terms on one side of the equation. So if I subtract m squared from both sides, those squared terms are going to cancel out. I have 8m plus 3m minus 8m, so that's just going to make 3m, that's here already, is 16. Let's see, negative 8m and plus 3m is a -5m, and then we have a minus 24. Oh, so let's see, so I don't need to get all the terms on one side because we got rid of our squared terms, so I'll just solve for m like we would normally do. And I get 8m minus the 16. 8m is -40, so m is -5. That's not one of the numbers that we eliminated earlier, so that's my solution set is -5.